Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 25th, 2024. I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. This one will be number 8791. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box, or boxes, because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here only two dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for there, 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see only 1 triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, near the middle box, is only 4 or 5. The box could be only 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. All right. Then next question, quadra boxes. I see only 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay, T-shape. Only 1 T-shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that one. Upside down. But it's the same shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Do we have more? Yeah, the last. Nope, this one. We have another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 and a 2, we already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, let me see. Let me see. Well, these two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 and 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Then this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. This box can be a 1. These 3 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 and 3. Okay. Well. Let me think. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. That means that this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there then. Need a 2 here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3. So 3 could be. Oh! This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we already have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. Now, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so be so 2. This box is also connected with that box, so be so a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then 2 and 4, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 3 is connected with that box. So 3. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1. And the 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes. And damn. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes around the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If we place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Then, yeah, these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, complicated. Need to go up. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I need a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely a 5. Then, need a 2 here. Need a 1 here. Interesting. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 5, I need a 3 here. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2 and that box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 and a 2. No. 1 and a 2. Overlook this 2. We have a 2 now, so this can't be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2 and this box will be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. And the final 2 numbers are 1 and 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars and faster than 30 minutes. So we're pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.